everyone, so today I'm showing you a gorgeous summer hairstyle. So you're going to start off by parting the hair in the middle, and then you're going to get a comb or your finger and you're going to take a slice of hair. It hasn't got to be too perfect, guys. So that's my first little section, and you're going to tie an elastic there. And then I want you to just make a little hole in that section, bring the ponytail forwards, and then just flip that through, like so. And then you're going to do that again, but you're not going to take it all the way through. And then you're just going to tighten that up by just pulling on the edges. I'm then going to do the same by taking this section of hair. Again, just kind of dragging it. I'm not worrying too much about it being perfect. So elastic goes in. Loosen it off a little bit. Make a little hole. Flip it through. Flip it through again. And then tighten. I'm just going to use a little grip here just to hold that one into place. So again, we're grabbing another section, and don't worry too much again about it being perfect. So I just think this style looks so cute, perfect for summer festivals or parties. And then round the back I've just done a really kind of like messy, soft curl. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.